Have you ever wondered what prop firms actually are? Did you know it can be easy to make 10K a month from prop firms when you know how to trade? Are you curious about how they can change your entire life? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about prop firms in just a few minutes. Most people don't have the large capital to trade for themselves and often make limited profits. It can take years to scale up. To combat this, traders often use proprietary firms, aka prop firms, to trade their capital instead. The pros of this are significant. You get access to larger capital. For example, 5% a month on $1,000 is $50, but it would be $5,000 a month on a $100,000 account, using the same trading strategy and risk management. Prop firms can be a great stepping stone to building your own account to trade with. Prop firms provide you with the capital to trade, allowing you to keep a significant portion of the profits. This means you can trade larger positions without the stress of losing your personal funds. With access to thousands or even millions of dollars in capital, prop firms open up new possibilities for your trading career. Prop firms can be broadly categorized into two types: CFD prop firms and futures prop firms. CFD prop firms often require higher profit targets, but have wider drawdowns and static drawdowns to compensate for this. On the other hand, futures prop firms typically have easier targets, but the rules are more stringent, and the drawdowns tend to be trailing, which can be very annoying to traders. The most reputable futures prop firm is Topstep, while FTMO is well known for CFDs. 100K accounts are often popular with CFD prop firm traders, but 50K accounts are more popular for futures traders due to the way they are structured. It's important for traders to trade what they are best at and then decide which type of prop firm they should go with. Additionally, some countries like the US may not allow trading with CFD prop firms due to regulations. An important thing to note is that most prop firms offer virtual money and not real money to trade on, but your payouts will be real money. There are a few real money prop firms like Lux Trading Firm, among others. Wondering how to get started? The process is straightforward. You apply, prove your trading skills through a demo or evaluation phase, and once you pass, you get funded. It's that simple. Many traders have turned their fortunes around thanks to prop firms, and you can too. Now that you know what prop firms are and how they can revolutionize your trading journey, why not take the first step today? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Money Mastery, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Stay subscribed for more content on how to trade in prop firms in the future. Your trading success is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.